Number 2 is FOKOOS 3D Printer. The FOKOOS 3D Printer is perfect for small businesses looking for a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution. With its unique foldable design, this printer is easy to carry and can be set up in just 3 minutes with 4 screws and 2 cables. One of the standout features of the FOKOOS 3D printer is its direct drive system, which allows it to work with a variety of filaments, including TPU, PLA+, and PETG. Its integrated extruder also prevents clogging and makes filament changes a breeze, while the intelligent filament break detection system ensures uninterrupted printing. This printer also boasts high precision and stability thanks to its dual Z-axis and Y-axis design, sheet metal case, and frame. The sizable bottom space allows heat dissipation and extends the printer's life. Its quiet stepper motor driver module and powerful STM32 control chip make it a peaceful and customizable option for small businesses. With lifetime technical support, businesses can rest assured that any issues they encounter will be quickly and professionally resolved. The FOKOOS 3D printer is an excellent choice for small businesses seeking a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution. If you are interested in the printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.